Yeah, welcome to Backyard Woodworking. Little shop tip. Hole saw. Got a chunk of wood stuck in it. Start 2 holes with your drill on a table. Drywall screw, deck screw. A little bit on each one. Like so. And voila, comes out. Now I put a little screw in the back to keep it from spinning. That's another thing that I did, just in the hole in the back. Just put a little one in part way to keep it from spinning, and it pulls it right out. And instead of trying, I mean, with a thing like this, you have a little hole. You see that in the back of this. That's all that's there. So try to prying that thing out. It's a pain. Or pushing it out with a nail or something, both sides. But a screw will pull it right out. Thanks for watching.